Happy New Year's, guys. I hope you guys have a great 2022. If you're drinking some brewskis tonight, do not be drinking and driving. It's just selfish. Call you an Uber, taxi, whatever. Walk yourself home. Anyways, let's get in this video and do some work to the Sweptline here. Welcome back to Real Steel Fabrication, guys. As you know, if you're subscribed, which not too many of you are, fun fact, 15% of you guys are subscribed that are watching the videos and 85% are not subscribed. So make sure you subscribe. Just go ahead and do it. That button's right down there somewhere. You know, you can find it. As you know, if you watch the videos, we have a 1969 Dodge Crew Cab Sweptline, which the project, as you can see behind me, is a short bed, blah, blah, blah. That's what today's video is about. Crew Cab needs a new motor. The 383 big block that's in it is just worn out and tired. Oh, that got hot. Oh man. Unhook this?
Yeah. Yeah. She's a runner.
My little pedo mustache about just got burnt off there.
Yeah, if we had all the linkages, I think it'd be fun.
And Dad and I actually just looked at a motor, but turns out it was not a 440 big block like we were hoping. It was a junk 413. I guess they're not very desirable according to Dad. But yeah, but we're still in the search. If you have a 440 and you're around the Missouri area, let us know. All right, guys, I want to try something different and new. At the beginning of each video now, I'm going to do a little trivia stuff. So here's the trivia for you for today. And if you guys have any ideas of what I should also educate people on and let them know about, leave it down in the comments below, and maybe your trivia question will be the one. Anyways, let's start. What year did the Dodge Charger come out? Just bleep blow it down in the bottom in the comments below, and later in the video we'll see if you're right. Fun fact, they came with 4 engine options. You could either get the 318, the 361, the 383, or the 426 Hemi. The 426 Hemi came in like 468 Dodge Chargers when they first came out, making it a super rare ride. Anyways, guys, if you like the little trivia questions and little fun facts and just educate you guys on something you might not know, just let me know and I'll continue doing the videos. Let's jump to the video. Today we have a good one for you. We're gonna edge out this Sweptline bed, so sand around all the edges real good and then lay some paint down, and then after this dries we'll be putting the bed back on the Sweptline. Finally, it's a long time coming, and once we get that done, then it's time to really get to sanding, more body work, and then hopefully paint after that. It's been too long without having this bed on this truck. So right now we got a toasty in here. It's like 90 degrees. Got the fireplace loaded up, keep stocking it with wood. And the reason for that is that we need to get this metal around 60 degrees, and that's like about cool to touch, so this paint sticks to this metal. Let's get right to this and get some stuff done. Did this bed seem like it had Bondo anywhere else? Found just a little area there that had some Bondo. Right there. Trying to sand all these edges down, get them done real good where the DA can't go. Using 80 grit. Have you sprayed something with the new Harbor Freight gun yet? HVLP something something central pneumatic. Fancy. This one's 20 bucks?
Yeah.
$20 gun. Budget paint job. Alright, right now we're covering up everything because overspray is a thing. Real deal. Cover up wheels, tires, everything like that, and put some paint on here. guys have not met Kitty Bob, this is the shop cat. Check him out. He's pretty cool. He's got this little nub tail. Check it out. Show him. Oh, yeah. He's been killing birds. Think truck's gonna look good? Getting some paint on it. Shoot, dang. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That green paint is just popping on there. For single stage paint, this stuff turns out really good. We just did the back here though and edged everything out. Now the plan is to get this thing on the truck and then really start the body work on the outside of this bed and get it ready for paint. The inside of the bed, the plan for this thing is to put a wood bed down. That's gonna be last though after we spray it with bed coating and everything, because my dad has to get up in this thing to spray the roof of the Sweptline. Anyways, we're gonna get this bed on the truck and then we'll be able to really get to work on it without it rocking back and forth and such. These taillight housings coming off another truck, both sides here, they look really good. This is why these are super rough. That was just bonded up. That, as you can see, these are just flat, so it doesn't have any of the holes or anything you need. And this one's even rougher here. And that's why we cut them off. To replace with that one there and that one there. All right, so we're about to put the bed on here. We ended up, the gas filler upper is gonna be inside the bed. So we've got a hole cut here, fill it up. But we're gonna carry it over there, all 700 pounds, probably 500, but it's heavy with 2 people. But here we go. Got the bed back on it. Little preview of what the gas filler upper is gonna be like. This spins the back right. You threw some rubber. Sticky. Whew. The hood here, we are fixing some rust holes here. Next video will probably be us really ready to get paint on this truck. Like I said, don't want to bore you, just sanding. I want to wrap this video up by saying that the channel is coming on 1 year old, and I highly appreciate all the support you guys have given me. The community of the Sweptline groups and just classic cars is an awesome community to be a part of. If you want to see more and more content, I'm going to ask if you guys want to support the channel even more, is consider donating. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for a Venmo called real.steel.fab. And what this is, it will be money that we'll use for the channel for future builds, such as we're looking at a 1963 Dodge Stepside. If we're able to raise about half the money that this truck costs, we'll get this truck, make it like a subscriber channel truck. And so what that means is that you guys will comment of what motor you want to see, a full restoration, a patina build, and literally everything to build this truck from the ground up, and we'll be doing the work. You guys just put your input and we'll take that and make a truck for you guys. And in the long run, as the channel grows, hopefully, I'd love to give this truck away as a giveaway on the channel and just give back to you guys for supporting the channel. Anyways, guys, have a happy New Year's. Be safe out there. Thanks for the support. Let's have a great 2022.